Are you wondering what's happening in the Palos Verdes real estate market right now? Whether you're a homeowner curious about your property's value or a buyer dreaming of ocean views and the PV lifestyle, stick around. Today we're diving into the hottest trends, hard numbers, and insider tips to help you make smart moves in the premium market. Welcome to Palos Verdes Living with Zoli. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Zoli, your Palos Verdes real estate expert, and today we're breaking down the market for zip codes 90274 and 90275. Think Palos Verdes Estates, Rolling Hills, Rancho Palos Verdes, and Rolling Hills Estates. This is a market where luxury meets lifestyle, but it's also fast moving and competitive. So whether you're a homeowner like Susan, a longtime PV resident who wants to know if now's the time to sell, or a buyer like James, a professional looking to snag a condo or a forever home, this video is for you. Let's kick things off with the big picture. Right now, the median sale price in Palos Verdes is $2.45 million in 90274 and $2.1 million in 90275. That's up 3.8% from last year, showing this market is holding strong despite higher interest rates. For Susan, our homeowner, this means your property's value is likely climbing, especially if you've got ocean views or a large lot. But here's the catch. Inventory is still tight, only 1.8 months of supply. That's great for sellers like Susan, but for James, our buyer, it means you've got to move fast or risk missing out. Now, homes are selling much quicker than ever, averaging just 42 days on the market. That's 10% faster than last year. Luxury homes over 3 million, especially in rolling hills with equestrian facilities, are flying off the market in under 30 days. But why? Buyers are paying a premium for turnkey properties, think remodeled kitchens, open floor plans, or smart home features. Price per square foot is $850 in 90274 and $780 in 90275, with ocean view homes commanding up to 20% more. So Susan, if your home has those views, you're sitting on a gold mine. And James, if you're eyeing a condo in Rancho PV, you can still find gems under 1.5 million. Now let's talk to James, our buyer. James, a 40-something professional, may be relocating to PV for the top-tier schools or that serene coastal vibe. James, here's the deal. With interest rates around 6.5%, 35% of buyers are going all cash to stay competitive. If that's not you, get pre-approved and consider adjustable rate mortgages to keep your options open. My top tip? Look for off-market deals, especially in 90275. I've helped clients like you snag exclusive listings in Ilana Bay before they hit the MLS. Also, homes needing updates, say pre-2000 builds, can be negotiated 5 to 10% below asking, giving you room to customize your dream home. Now Susan, our homeowner. Susan's lived in PV for years, maybe in a 4-bedroom with ocean views, and she's wondering if now's the time to cash in. Susan, this is a seller's market, but pricing is everything. Overpriced and your home could sit, especially with buyers being pickier. Stage your home to shine. Professional photos and videos are a must, especially for platforms like YouTube. Highlight upgrades like energy efficient systems or that chef's kitchen to justify your premium. And here's a pro tip. Work with an agent who uses high-tech driven marketing like my Palos Verdes podcast, for example, or other AI tools to get your listing in front of the right buyers. So what does this all mean? For buyers like James, low inventory and fast sales mean you're in a race. But don't worry, off-market deals and condos are your secret weapons. For sellers like Susan, it's your time to shine, but only if you price smart and market aggressively. One trend I'm seeing is the rise of off-market deals in Rancho Palos Verdes. Buyers are jumping at those to avoid bidding wars, and sellers love the privacy. It's a win-win, and it's why working with a connected agent is key. The consequence? If you're not plugged into this market, you're missing out on opportunities. That's your Palos Verdes real estate market update for March 2025. Whether you're dreaming of selling your home for top dollars like Susan, or buying your slice of PV paradise like James, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Visit salewithzoli.com or call me at 661-234-6442 to get started. I'm Zoli, DRE number 0224-8774, and I specialize in making your PV real estate goals a reality. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to Palos Verdes Living with Zoli and ring the bell for more market insights. Let's make your next move your best move. See you in the next video.